Yo, what's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Vasile. Back to the TSX. I know you guys probably seen the video, me lowering the car. And I got a problem here. I got a camber kit up in there. There's actually no bueno. It's probably up in there. You can't probably really see it. Oh, I did make a video installing the exhaust. Some of you guys may not know. This is a Megan Racing exhaust. Actually, the fitment on that looks really nice. And sounds really good, actually. Sounds really good. All nice stainless steel, TIG weld, resonators. As you can tell, it's flush underneath. The body doesn't hang low. Really nice style mufflers. Big tips where actually you can kind of go nice with the hole. But today I'm just gonna install the camber kit that I got. See what I'm saying? I believe this is also Megan Racing. Good quality stuff. By the way, the price of that exhaust is about $850 shipped. Do not do what I did. I bought the axle back, which is just the mufflers, and then I had to go back and buy the piping. And yeah, that's not really cheap, but I think you're gonna love it. If you're watching this video, I'm telling you right now, you're not gonna regret it. It's not loud, it's not quiet, it's just perfect. Deep sound, very quiet, very deep sound. It just sounds really good. Actually goes really good with the car. Doesn't sound riced out at all. But anyways, I'm gonna go do this camber kit, rear camber kit on it. And then tomorrow I should be having my new tires tomorrow. Which, by the way, those wheels are 17x9 plus 45 RPF ones and keys. And then I'm running the, as you can see right here, running 245, 40, 17. The next size tire I'm running is 235, 45, 17. So it's a little bit taller, but it's a little bit more narrow, just barely. As you guys probably not seen, I made a video. Actually, I did make a video. Instead of rolling the fenders, actually I cut it. You can probably see a little bit better on this other side right here. So what I did, I cut the quarter panel. You can think it's kind of shorter right here. See that? I cut it. After I cut it, I silicone it. After I silicone it, I use this right here, this 3M undercoating rubbing compound underneath, so that way no matter exposed or anything like that. So that kind of helps. Instead of rolling your fenders, you just cut them. Now you got to be careful how you cut them, because if you running your grinder too slow and kind of deep, you can heat up the paint and then you can bubble up and you can scrub your paint. So you got to do it in small sessions. You know what I'm saying? Work a little bit here, then go back on the other side. A little bit here, go back on the other side. So just a little bit here, a little bit there. You know how that goes. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those things real quick, and I'm gonna show you how it looks after it's done. I was gonna do camber kit in the front, but since already with no camber kit in the front, it's already with this size wheel, it's already right there on the fender. I would not want to like bring it out more because it will poke out. So I decided to stay with the negative 1.5 in the front, which is good. The negative 1.5 in the front. Right now I have negative 2.5 in the rear. So I'm trying to bring the rear to 1.5, just like the front. That's why I did the tire swap and then also doing the quarter panel. So I need the camber kit in order to do that, to bring it out a little bit. So I'm also probably gonna record the alignment when I go do the alignment and the tires. So show you who's gonna do it for me. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work up in here. Show you once it's up. I'm sure I probably don't have to show you how to do this, but I'll show you anyways. All right, so this is the camber kit, the factory one. Well, actually, this is not even a factory one. I don't know who put that on there. Sometimes Collision usually use those to get the timing, the alignment on spec. So it's got a 17mm bolt nut at the bottom here. See that right there? Pop that loose. This one actually was really tight. So what I have air hammer, so I was able to use the air hammer to push it up. And then you got the bolt right there with another 7. That's a 14mm head. You see it? You see it right there in the corner? So I'll see what I get in there, loosen the other one up. So it should be very hard to do. You know what I'm saying, buddy? We'll go to town. SPC. I'll probably try to use a swivel. See if I can use a swivel up in there, you know? Now, if you have a long 3/8 snap-on ratchet, look at that, how handy that is. Because you can reach all the way in the back over there. See that? And then you can just loosen it. And then the camber key is out. Simple as that. Now, before I take that one off, one thing that I want to remind you guys. When you guys, before you put this up, this is one thing that I recommend that all of you guys do. Is that you guys put grease. Unscrew it all the way out, both ends. Put grease inside, then close it. Because what happens is, sometimes when you drive, the water gets inside and it gets seized. You can never adjust it. You see my suspension? Look at my suspension right here. Even my suspension's got grease on it. You see that right there? That's all grease. So if I ever want to raise it or lower it, it's got grease inside. So actually, this is brand new coilovers I bought. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to ruin it. You see what I'm saying? You can tell some of the grease up in there, you know? But anyways, that's kind of how you do it, eh? And then you pretty much adjust this one with the length of the other one and maybe just bring it out a little bit and then just tighten it. And then tomorrow when I take it to alignment, those guys are gonna adjust it for me. We'll see how that goes. But I wanna do the tires and the alignment at the same time to make sure that the tire is not gonna rub on the quarter panel. And let me show you right here what I did on the quarter panels. See that? So I cut the quarter panel right here, see that? And I smooth it. Then I silicone it. I don't know if you can tell, but inside it's silicone, see that? See that? Silicone, and then I just use that undercoat liner, you know? See that? That's to help it not to rust up inside. Alright. I'll probably do a video once I get to the dyno, not to the dyno, to the alignment place. So that way we see how everything looks. But pretty much, that's how you do. You know, pop that out. Now, if you're gonna reuse those, make sure you don't smash the bottom of the ball joint on that. All right, guys? If you're gonna reuse this, if you're gonna just take it off, see how I smashed the threads on there? I don't care because I have another one there, but be careful with that. And this ball joint is bad too. It's got a lot of play in it. So actually, I'm glad I'm doing it. Because sometimes when you have a bad ball joint, what happens is it does this. So when you go into a corner, the tire just leans in and out. No bueno. Look at that clean exhaust, yo. Look at that. Nice stainless steel, no rubbing. Yeah, buddy. Looking fresh. So yeah, get back to it, eh?